have an Infinity Gauntlet now?
I do not. Yet I remain Thanos, the great tyrant.
That appears untrue.
Are you looking for a cool superhero server to play? Well, Dominion SMP is the best choice for you. As you can see, we use a really cool superhero mod with awesome features, and we even develop heroes of our own. So join the Discord in the description or comments and join today. All you need to do is make a 30-second minimum video and you'll be able to join. No good editing skills required. See you there.